What's up, I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean being people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Also, people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to another edition of Mask Monday, ladies. I'm excited to be back doing this tag this week. This is such an awesome tag and I always have a great time doing it. In the title of this video, you'll notice that there's a hashtag that says Mask Monday Ladies. If you click on that tag, it'll bring up all the videos that the amazing women who participate in Mask Monday do. So if you want to go watch everyone, which I suggest you do, it's an easy way to just bring up all their videos. I know it takes a lot of time, so when you get a chance, try and check them out. Speaking of that, I know it's so hard to keep up on everyone's videos because I've subscribed to so many awesome people, and I always feel bad because sometimes the best timing for me to watch people's videos is when I'm doing my makeup for work, so I can't always comment. So I always have the best intentions. I'll like the video and I'll watch it, and because I queue up a few to watch, and I'm oh yeah, I'll go back and comment on it, and then I never do. So I always feel really bad because there's tons of videos that I watched that I have just completely forgotten to comment on. So you guys didn't know that I actually watched them, but I did. So I'm sorry about that, and I'll probably continue to do that because that's just how my mind works. So I apologize, but I am there. So for my mask today, I thought I'm going to do my last holiday party animals mask from Ulta. It's the Kitten one. It's so cute. This is a Hydrate and Rejuvenate Skin with this cute kitten sheet mask that will allow you to relax and enjoy the holiday season. Well, it's a fun holiday season because it's spring now, so that's exciting even though this is for Christmas. And then I'm going to use these eye masks that were given to me by my sister-in-law for my birthday. It was awesome. She gave me a 20-pack, or for Christmas. It was awesome. She gave me a 20-pack. These are really nice. They make my eyes feel really good. Oh my god, how cute is this? Oh my god, this is the cutest. This is so cute. Hopefully this will stay not too annoying while I talk. So both of these have to stay on for about 20 minutes. So I figure while I have this on, I'll show you a couple of subscription boxes that I got recently. First one, I actually got this the other day. This is the Walmart Spring Box. I got the Humphreys Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner with Rose. I got Dashing Diva Ultrasign Gel Manicure Nails. I like these. I have a couple of them before that have worked really well. I did have one set though that really no matter what I did, it just didn't stick. But I've had other sets that stick really, really well. So I'm excited to try these. Then I got this cool pack of scrunchies. I really like scrunchies. I used to wear scrunchies all the time. Instead of having the hair tie that I have on my hand all the time in all of my videos, I used to always have a scrunchie on my wrist when I was younger. So these are kind of fun. I'll probably use them. Then I got this Tanologist Face and Body Self-Tan Drops. It's these little ones, so I really don't know how much you'd actually get out of that. I don't really do self-tanner because it kind of scares me. So yeah, probably won't use it. And then I got a Hello BPA-free toothbrush, handle made with plant-based materials, charcoal-infused bristles. Really, really exciting. And then I got their activated charcoal toothpaste, which is also good. I've used this before. I do like it. The only thing with charcoal toothpaste that are black, they make kind of a mess in the sink. So you have to really just clean your sink afterwards. So it's kind of annoying, but I do kind of like how they work. So this is actually a really good box. I'm really interested to see what other people have gotten this month. Here's the whole thing of the different things you can get. I like getting the Walmart boxes because they did raise it to, I think it's $6.98 or something now, which I mean isn't expensive, and you do get some nice products. I've never gotten anything that I've been ugh about. I have gotten things that I wouldn't use, and I've given them to other people. This self-tanner thing, it's so small. I'm really kind of confused by this because it's designed, okay, maybe if I read the back like a dum-dum, I wouldn't be so confused. It's designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. The more drops you add, the darker your tan is. Getting bronze has never been easier. I don't know. This still kind of scares me. Self-tanning just really scares me. I'm like so pale, and like I've seen like so many horror stories of people self-tanning that I'm just like, oh my god. And then I figured, since I am wearing my cat mask, why not show what I got in my March cat lady box. As always, I have beautiful artwork on their little postcard that tells you what everything is. So it's obviously themed for spring. I think this picture is so pretty. I actually might want to frame this one and hang it up in my room. My walls are green, obviously. I think it would go really, really nicely. The first thing I got is this cat lady trivet. Oh my, it's a little cat trivet. How cute is that? That's adorable. Oh, that's the back. And that's adorable. The next thing I got, which is really, really cool, is a wireless charging pad, which is awesome. I definitely can use this because, like everybody, I have tons and tons of products that can charge wirelessly and that need to charge all the time because that's the type of world we live in now. So this is cool. I've gotten like this other like light up cat charger from them. It was really awesome and I loved it. It worked for a lot of things. So I have high hopes that this will work as well. Then I got stainless steel insulated bottle, which is always good to have. Let's see, what does it look like? Oh, it's really pretty. It is like the design that's on the box. This is really nice. Then I got this t-shirt, which is amazing for me because guess what it says? Be kind. I just think it like fits me so perfectly. And it has a cat on it, of course. And then you always get 2 items for your kitty baby. So I got this cute little butterfly for her and this pot of gold, which is so adorable. I also want to mention these really pretty hair clips that I got. They're from a company called Wishes and Kisses. These were actually sent to me to check out. And they're really, really pretty. I actually really like them. I mean, they're perfectly sparkly and amazing, so they're right up my alley. They're really, really nice. They're like they're like fancy bobby pins. I found them to be really nice to put like in my hair, like on the side. You know, obviously because I have really thick hair, I can't do too much with bobby pins, but they're fun for like little accent things. And these were only like $9.50 and they're adorable. And these were sent to me to try out, and I think they were really, really nice. So thank you very much to Wishes and Kisses for sending me these. I will list them below. It is not an affiliate link or anything like that. I literally gained nothing from mentioning this other than they sent this to me. So if you want to check it out, you can. They have some pretty decent prices. I actually liked them so much that I went and I bought 3 other products. So I went and I bought these bobby pins. These hair clips, and then these set of clips here, or Brett's I should say, and these ones are actually for thick hair. I actually wore this one the other day and it actually stayed in my hair and worked really well. And I have really thick hair and I always have issues with like Brett's and stuff because a lot of the really pretty ones aren't made for really thick hair. They're like the thin bobby pin ones, or the ones that those really cute little, like the ones like this, like they're really cute, but I can only wear them again as kind of like little accent things. Like I can't really use them to hold my hair back. So it was really nice that they had clips for thick hair that weren't insanely expensive. And of course they're like really sparkly, so that just like made me happy. And again, I will have them listed below in case you would like to check them out. Again, it is not an affiliate link or anything, so I don't gain anything from you clicking on the link or anything like that. Okay, so my skin mask is done. I love the way my skin feels. It feels nice and refreshed and cool. I always love the feeling when you take off the sheet mask and your face feels nice and cold for a little while. It's just like so refreshing. I don't know. I love it. So anyway, before I end this video, I thought it would be fun to do a little secret giveaway. It's not a big one, it's just a little one, but I'm going to be giving away one of the Collagen iZone gel masks that I used today, as well as these really fun, cute kitty headbands. This is so cute, but these kind of headbands I can't wear because they don't hold my hair back because I have very thick hair, so once I go like this, they just fall over. and these things just like bother behind my ears, but I think these are absolutely adorable, and I loved them to go to somebody who could actually get some use out of them. So, and then I have the eye masks because I think these are awesome, and I have a bunch of them, and I would love to share the wealth with other people. So the standard rules, let me put this down so I stop making plastic noises. So all the standard rules apply. Obviously, YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. This is all me. You have to be 18 years or older. Those are pretty thin, so I think I'm going to use this as an international giveaway. So you can live outside of the US and you can enter this giveaway. You have to be 18 years or older, which I believe I said. You have to be subscribed to me publicly. And to know, since it is like a secret giveaway, I don't want you to put like enter me in the comments. Just somehow use the word cat in your comment to let me know that you want to be entered. And this will run through next Monday, March 29th. So Tuesday, March 30th, I will announce the winner. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I'm not one of the cool kids, but that's okay. And I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I mentioned in this video listed below in case you are interested, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I did not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies. Oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.